Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to split text based on a space in a text string, for example between two words. I've opened Google Sheets. Here you can see the text string in the field D11, Marshall Matters, which is actually a name where there is a space between the first name and the last name. Now if I have that in one field and I want to split up the first name and the last name in two separate fields, how can I do this? There are a couple of functions which are very useful to know and how to use them. And we'll go over them one by one, and it will be finally a combination of functions which will allow us to separate the first name and the last name using the space in the text string. So let's do this. First of all, the length of a string. The formula, as you can see here, is equal len and then delta 11, the location of the text string. And the output here is 16. Because Marshall Matters is like 16 characters, including the space in between. So we have like the first name being 8 characters, a space, and then we have 7 characters for the last name. So in total, the length of the string is calculated to be 16. Now, if you want, for example, to separate a number of characters starting from the left, you can do that with the left formula. You identify the field and then the number of characters. For example, here, the 4 first characters of this text string is Mars. You can do the same for the right with the right formula. You identify again the field and then the number of characters starting from the right. Now, in this text string Marshall Matters, the 5 last characters are TTERS. You can also find a specific character in a text string with the find formula. This is the find formula with, first of all, the text, the character that you are looking for. You type here in the first element of the formula, you type the character and then the field where to look in. It will output a number being the place where the character is found for the first time in the text string. Now I can also start searching not from the beginning but from a specific point. For example, I will start from the 6th character. The 6th character in my text string is the A, in the second A in the name of Marshall. And if I start looking from there on for example, again the S as a character, the first S that I will find is the last character in the text string. So here the output will be on the 16th place, the find formula will find another S in this text string. We can use that same find character match for looking, for example, a space in the text string. Same formula, we will look for a space in text string in the 11, and the output is it finds a space on the 9th place in the text string. Now, how can we use this formula to split the first and the last name into separate words? First of all, we are going to find the first name, and the formula is, as you can see here, with the left formula, I will look into the text string in D11, and the number of characters that I will select from that text string is determined by the find formula. I will find the space, I will get an output of number of characters. I do -1 because I do not want to include a space into the first name, and that's my output, that's my formula, and that is the output Marshall in this case. And for finding the last name, I will do the same with the right formula. Actually, to select the number of characters starting from the right in the field in the text string D11, and the number of characters that I want to select is determined by this formula. The total length of the text string being 16 minus where the space starts, and the space starts at the 9th character. So 16 minus 9 is 7, meaning that the right formula will select the last 7 characters from the text string, and those are actually the last name of Marshall Matters, as you can see here on the screen. Let's test this again, and I will show you in a couple of examples. I've put a formula for the first name here, and I put a formula for the last name over here. So I've added John Wayne. Let's take another one, but Mary Gates. Okay, I will drop down the formula, and as you can see, he selects perfectly each time. Another one, for example, Amadeus Mozart. Okay, and I will do the drop down again. Well, that's it. So experiment with this and you will see that it's very easy. So now you know how to split text based on a space between two words. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.